there. I'd like to thank the people of Homa Bay for the overwhelming mandate that they've given us. It's deeply humbling. The huge responsibility that has been laid on our shoulders is overwhelming this evening, this morning. We always hoped that we would win, but that we would win with such overwhelming majority and mandate was never in the slightest of our expectation. And therefore, the people of Homa Bay, you have overwhelmed us with your vote of confidence. And I want to state here unequivocally that we will not betray this trust. We will take this responsibility as seriously as you have laid it on us. We will not let you down.
I come back to the county government. I know we've been working as a team, very solid team, who had a unique campaign. I very believe that people are missing our campaign. And I want to thank also my female. I want to emphasize that because it's unique this time that women, we are growing. Even though the two-third gender rules didn't undergo the right passage in Parliament, probably it was frustrated. By this time, I'm telling you, no way it is going to go through. With Bensouda in Parliament, they're going to achieve it.
Okay, for having affirmed their confidence in me and in the party. I also want to thank my colleagues with whom we walked around the county campaigning as a team. We called ourselves the six-piece team. And I'm glad that today indications are that all of us in the six-piece team have all sailed through. In fact, the main cherry now on the cake will be to see Raila Amolo Odinga sworn in as the President of Kenya, because the rest of us already, our positions have been affirmed.